If you are looking for best electronic brake controls, this video is for you. Let's get started with the list. Product number 1, most popular Hopkins 47297 Insight Brake Control.
Listen, we all upgrade. It's what we do. Your phone, your TV, your ride. So what about your trailer brake control? Don't settle for an old brick. It's time to upgrade the way you tow. Meet the Insight Brake Control. This isn't your run-of-the-mill controller. This is flex mount. You mount it where you want it, without putting holes in your dash. That's right. Put the display in your line of sight and keep the controls within easy reach. Controlling your trailer just got safer and easier. That's good for you. Even better for those around you. The brains behind the Insight are tucked out of the way. No more busted knees. Not to mention, it's packed full of advanced technology and built to handle your most demanding loads. Not just today, but every day. Yep, this stroke of pure genius is backed by a lifetime warranty. It's time to upgrade.
Product number 2, CURT 51140 TriFlex Brake Control. Product number 3, Tekonsha 90250 Prodigy RF Electronic Brake Control.
The remote handheld unit has 3 primary purposes. The first is to provide the driver a manual brake override as required by law. The second purpose is to give the driver an indication of what is happening within the trailer braking system and to assure a positive electrical connection between the tow vehicle and trailer. The third purpose of the handheld remote is to adjust the amount of power output delivered from the trailer-mounted module to the trailer brakes during a braking event. Pairing a Prodigy RF remote handheld to the power module is very much like adapting a remote to a garage door opener. This is how it's done. First, be sure that the trailer-mounted power module's 7-way plug is securely inserted into the tow vehicle's connector. Second, if it's not already disconnected, disconnect the trailer's 7-way cable from the Prodigy RF trailer-mounted power module. Now start the vehicle's engine. After the engine is started, plug the handheld unit into any 12-volt auxiliary power port within easy reach of the driver or operator. Dial the power wheel located on the right side of the handheld unit downward to its minimum position. You will see either flashing zeros or N.C in the display. Now simultaneously depress and hold both the manual override located on the left side of the unit and the boost button located on the upper right-hand corner near the display. Once the 2 buttons are depressed, the display will begin a countdown starting with P5 down to PA. After the PA becomes visible, the manual override and boost button can be released. Press and hold the vehicle brake pedal. The display should change from PA to flashing zeros. This will indicate that the units are paired correctly and that the vehicle brake pedal can be released. Now dial the power wheel up to an output greater than minimum. Since the trailer's 7-way plug is not connected to the trailer-mounted power module, you should see a flashing NC. The last step in the process is to firmly connect the trailer's 7-way connector to the rear of the power module. The remote handheld display will now show a .C for proper connection. This indicates that the remote handheld unit can see the electrical connection to the trailer. It is important to know that the Prodigy RF will still work and apply your trailer's brakes if the remote handheld unit is accidentally disconnected from the 12-volt auxiliary port. It is the power supplied through the 7-way vehicle connection and the sensor located in the trailer-mounted module that actuate the trailer brakes, not the radio frequency used to set the proper power level at the beginning of your trip, nor the return signal that indicates your braking status. If by chance your handheld unit does become disconnected, the trailer brakes will be applied according to the last delivery power command sent from the handheld unit. One more important note. You can pair any number of handheld devices to a single power module. Each will work exclusively with their assigned module and no other unless the pairing procedure is performed with another system. This prevents the possibility of interaction between separate trailers while on the road. If you have questions or need more specific information, please either refer to the installation and owner's guide enclosed with your control or call us.
Product number 4, Tekonsha 90195 P3 Electronic Brake Control.
If this is your first installation, please listen for a moment to some important tips. Locate the mounting position on the face of the dash in the most convenient position possible and within easy reach. Performance braking controls are directional. This means that the back of the control must be positioned toward the front of the vehicle or in the direction of travel. Many brake controls have a primary operating range, nose up or nose down. Refer to your installation instructions for the range that applies to your control. Most newer vehicles have a brake control vehicle plug-in point located in the primary electrical harness under the dash. Use the vehicle-specific wiring harness, sometimes provided by the automobile manufacturer or available separately from your brake control supplier, to connect the brake control wiring. Then plug it in under the dash. If your vehicle is older or does not provide a plug-in point, use the generic wiring instructions provided with the brake control, or see your dealer for installation details. If you have questions, please refer to the owner's guide or give us a call.
Product number 5, Tekonsha 90160 Primus IQ Electronic Brake Control. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.